Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Wise to manage international real estate transaction fees, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Wise to manage international real estate transaction fees, start by creating a Wise account if you don't have one. Visit the Wise website and click on Sign Up. Enter your email address, then choose a secure password. Follow the prompts to verify your email and complete the sign-up process. Once logged in, navigate to the Account section. Select the option to add a currency account. Choose the currencies relevant to your real estate transactions. Complete the required information for each currency account. Next, link your bank account to your Wise account for easy transfers. Navigate to the Balances tab and click Add Currency. Choose the currency for your international transaction. You may need to provide identification to verify your identity. Once verified, you will be able to receive and send funds in that currency. To manage transaction fees, use the Wise Fee Calculator available on the site. Enter the amount you intend to send and the receiving currency. Review the estimated fees and exchange rates before proceeding. Initiate a transfer by selecting the currency balance to send from. Follow the prompts to enter the recipient's details. Confirm the transaction and review all details before finalizing. After confirmation, monitor the progress of your transaction in the Activity section. If you encounter any issues, consult the Wise Help Center for assistance. By following these steps, you will efficiently manage international real estate transaction fees using Wise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.